Let's draw this super cute kawaii lava lamp with heart lava. The top of this lava lamp is going to be half of a circle. So we're going to curve a line up. Now we're going to draw this horizontal line. We're going to draw two diagonal lines. And now a horizontal line across. So in my Easy Draw series, we like to draw with basic shapes. So we have a geometric shape here, the trapezoid. And it looks like the bottom of a cupcake. So those lines taper down, they get closer together. And now we're going to draw another horizontal line. Now we're going to draw another trapezoid. So we can build our drawings with basic shapes. This is a great way to draw from your imagination. Let's draw this adorable expression. So we're going to draw a circle, and I want you to fill it in. These are called Kawaii-style. Kawaii means cute. Alright, here we go, guys. Here's the heart lava. Let's go ahead and add a smaller heart. Wow, this adorable lava lamp is really starting to come to life now, guys. And we're going to have some of that hot wax that's rising up. So lava lamps defy gravity, so as this wax heats up, it rises to the top. Then as it cools down, gravity then makes it fall back down. So check out my end cards. I have more of these easy how to draw videos on my playlist, or you can challenge yourself and try my 3D drawing version. I've got a 3D version of this heart lava lamp. Check it out. Keep watching videos, and I'll see you in the next creative adventure. Bye.